Busy day here at the Boulder Dome. Holy crap. And it's only a Thursday? Yeah. We're headed out with Dallas, Austin, and Jordan up the Boulder Dome. I rode the Skidoo for the last couple days, so it does feel kind of weird jumping back to the Polaris today with that flat steering. We're going into Dallas's favorite zone here. Up into Narnia. Like I got roosted. Definitely feeling a little bit rusty on the Polaris here right away. Wow, it's blue sky up here. Listen to that fuel pump. Roasted. Oh man, did it ever get warm up here last night? The snow is just super packing. It's just totally saturated, no snow left on the trees. It's powder like way down, but with a foot of slop on top. We are like at we're probably at 1,200 meters though.
Jesus.
Yeah, I'd say it's kind of warm out. What do you got there?
Taquitos and chimichangas.
Sounds pretty good, not gonna lie.
That was really good. Whoever here. There's the steam.
Oh yeah, I lost my breath over there. I'm like, I can't even move. It is so hard between the trees. All the snow falling off. Oh! That was a nice ratchet. Oh, low fuel pressure. Well, I think my fuel pump's on its way out here. Low fuel pressure again here. So I've heard of the fuel pump going on the boost. I figured it was only a matter of time before mine went. All right, we're on a 165 Pro non-turbo. There's definitely a lot more planted in that front end. The 165 almost seems easier for hopovers. I think he likes the boost. So the 165 Pro RMK I was just on, it's pretty cool. You know, it is more predictable than the Khaos here. I do like the flickability. Flickability, I don't know if that's a word, but we'll go with it. Of the 155 more than the 165. But you can still whip that 165 around for sure. Big avalanche up there. Every day a bit more, but it's not all the way down, eh? It's rain at the... How thick do you think that slab is? Wow, look at that chute over there. Dallas is going to check out, dropping into this little bowl here. Some fun stuff in there, it looks like. Yeah. See that cave? Yo, let's go! No. There's the heavy debris. It is hard. It looks like it's a couple days old. I wonder if it's possible to get in there. That looks like a cool little zone. I think we could drop down through the trees there, wrap around this.
Oh, that's the pyramid.
This is where I was talking about. This is the zone that I want to get to. This is the last zone that I haven't rode on this mountain.
And then you'll have conquered it.
Yeah.
I think we should go back though. My fuel pump isn't going to make it. We better go back.
I'll chip on your heli.
know, yesterday I said to myself, there's not too much more exploring I could do around here. I've almost explored everywhere. Have to start driving farther to do more exploring, and then we find this little gem just off of Boulder Mountain here. It's never ending. Oh, we're good now. Holy shit. So that big avalanche at the top of the mountain there actually runs down through this chute here. Looking up right here, you wouldn't think there's anywhere for an avalanche to come from, but the way the rock goes, it must funnel the avalanche and turn it in 45 degrees and comes down here. You know, we definitely weren't expecting to do a little bit of an explorer mission here today, but we are riding with Dallas. And last night at the outro of the video, I was like, yeah, we'll probably get into something crazy.
That was absolutely gnarly.
There goes my fuel pump again. I don't know why I'm dropping down here with a fuel pump like that. What a cool spot. Look at this creek. Look how much snow is there. It's a cool looking piece of rock there. And then there's a bunch of fingers up there. I've never seen snow this deep. Like, the camera does this no justice. That's gotta be 15 feet down there.
I'll pull up my 320 probe.
So the guys have gone to check this out up here. Pretty cool. Sad I'm missing out, but I'm staying put here because my fuel pump is putting the sled into limp mode. I know I shouldn't have dropped down here with the sled running like this, but just with the group I'm with, you know, I'm not that worried about it. You know, we'll get the sled out one way or another, even if it does totally fail. I'm thinking it's not going to fail because I've heard it just limits the sled like that. So as long as I don't hold it wide open for an extended period of time, hopefully it's all right. to get out of here, we're gonna go up this and then just onto that bench there. Normally I definitely wouldn't touch anything like this, but since this slid about a day or two ago, it'll be okay. So just because it slid doesn't mean it is safe, because there could be hang fire that could fall, or one of the slopes on the side could slide as well if a cornice falls onto it. But we felt alright, since the majority of the hill had slid, that we could quickly just get up and out of there. You're all clear, boys. Such a sick zone in here though. We'll have to come back when the Avi danger's lower. You know, I kind of feel like the gauge on the Polaris here almost makes you a worse rider, because your situational awareness isn't as good, because you're looking down here to see where you're going instead of off landmarks, trees. You know, this is the gnarly part, getting back out through our tracks. Back on the trail.
It is so warm. Good day.